Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to quickly welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Elwin. So welcome, Elwin, to the Freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. Freelance coding is on the rise, and in today's video, I want to give you one exciting opportunity that you could pursue when starting out as a freelance coder if you're interested in blockchain development. But of course, there are many other opportunities if this is nothing for you. But I just want to give you the glimpse into the thinking of successful freelancers. So, what is the opportunity? The opportunity is to, I stumbled upon this opportunity last week when learning about Chainlink. Chainlink is essentially a connector that connects the blockchain with the real world in a way, or with say an outside environment. It can even connect multiple blockchains. So how does it work? So basically you have a Chainlink network. It is a network of oracles, an oracle network, and an oracle means that it observes a state of the external world, and it shares the state with a smart contract running on the blockchain, right? So if you need to have some background understanding, but you can read the white paper on Chainlink or anything, and then just grasping the idea is pretty simple. And the idea is to actually, so why is it necessary? For example, it is necessary each time the blockchain needs to act like a smart contract, for example, needs to act on outside data. This can be, for example, for trading. So for example, if you do some trading, you actually need to know the price of an asset, right? Or if you, for example, provide futures, like options or futures trading, then of course, the platform that providing this service actually needs to know the prices of the assets, and it can get the prices. It could get the prices, for example, by an automatic Google search or something, or some web scraping mechanism. But of course, this would then have to run first of all on the Ethereum blockchain, which is pretty expensive, and second of all, it wouldn't be trustworthy, right? Because it could be easily hacked, right? You can if you would run. So for example, if you would scrap one website in order to get the data, for example, the Yahoo price data to get the data of an asset, it could be manipulated, right? There could be a third party actually changing the website, and now your smart contract executes. For example, if this is like an insurance application or something, or you really have an option, you provide a financial service like to a professional institution. You are a professional institution providing a service. It could then be easily manipulated by just manipulating the data. Right, this is a difficult problem, and that's why Chainlink comes into existing. So Chainlink, you can see you can check it out on the website. It's a pretty simple idea. Maybe we have a graphic here, don't we? No. Architecture overview. Okay, so this is the idea. Here you see you have some real world data. You have a Chainlink node, and the Chainlink node, or actually node network, observes the real world data, and it connects to the blockchain, right? And so this is it makes the data trustworthy, and you now have not only a single node observing the data or the state. It could be also for example, who is the president, right? You ask 100 people, you get 100 answers, you average over those answers, and now you know, okay, now your Chainlink network actually gives the answer, okay, the president is Obama. And now you can create, in the blockchain, you can create smart contracts based on this verified data, right? Verified by the Chainlink Oracle network. So it has nothing to do with Oracle, the company. It's just its Oracle network. It means that the Oracle, you ask questions to the Oracle, right? And the Oracle gives you the answer. That's where it comes from. And like a Chainlink node is called an Oracle node. And actually, so my idea was pretty simple. So if you run such a Chainlink node, you can just follow a tutorial. For example, here tutorial from official Chainlink, running a Chainlink node, following the steps. You need to create a Docker image, and then you just virtual machine basically, and you run it on Amazon, and you follow the commands in this tutorial. Pretty straightforward. It is simple but not easy. Of course, you need to know about the backgrounds, you need to learn about the backgrounds, but you have time initially, right? You could just invest, do the work, and running the Chainlink node and doing this actually gives you an cryptocurrency called Link. And if you search for Link, Chainlink price, for example, you get the price data. maybe from CoinMarketCap. So here you see the price data and with a chart as well. So here in this chart, you see like this is a 1 day. Maybe let's make, so this is the link currency you get. So if you are a Chainlink validator, you provide your like Oracle service to other people. You actually get paid in the process, and this is like it will explode because it helps connect. It is the only way for a blockchain actually to connect with the outside world. You need outside world. You need to have oracles, right? And actually, the official Ethereum documentation recommends that you use Chainlink to do this, right? So you need to have people just providing the service to be an oracle, to provide like a reliable data source, to provide their view on the data. And of course, I mean, there's some incentive mechanism that actually incentivizes that you are an honest data provider, and the more honest you are, the better is your incentive in the long term, right? And okay, so this is the basic idea of Chainlink, and you could figure it out and could run your own node by just following the tutorial and learning the stuff. And then, like, this is only the first step. Then you get like a passive income, like your machine now earns some link tokens, and you like earn some basic money. But then the second step is to actually offer your services on Upwork, right? As a freelance developer now, this is a new thing, and like this is a case study, right? You could do this for many different types of applications. For example, you could do the same for running your own proof of work node for the Bitcoin network, or like any other chain, or Solana node, or anything, because people are searching for those things. They need to know those things, right? So people search for Chainlink. And now if you, for example, on Upwork search for Chainlink, there's a freelancer offering his service for $350 per hour. You can see this freelancer has earned more than $1 million on the platform, and he is the first popping up if you search for Chainlink. But he doesn't have Chainlink in his header, so there's still a gap in the marketplace. There's nobody focusing on Chainlink, right? And if you would be the guy, so say providing your Chainlink services, you have to run your own validator. You can give this in your profile. You can write Chainlink here. You know your stuff because you have followed the tutorials. You have like an asynchronous knowledge advantage compared to clients. You know more, you have done the tutorials, and clients, maybe they cannot figure it out, or they just won't figure it out because of time. You can offer your services for $100 or $150 or $200, which is still less than here the first guy, and you are focused on Chainlink, right? I mean, if I had to choose between one freelancer focusing exclusively on Chainlink, needing $200 per hour versus a freelancer who wants to have $350 per hour, but he offers a whole range of services like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polymesh, NFT, DEX, and everything else, I would probably guess that this freelancer is a generalist, right? He can't know the specifics of all those things because it's just too much. Like, the field is so big, so exploding, nobody can keep up. So you need to focus in this field, in the field blockchain development. And a freelancer who is a jack of all trades is also a master of none, right? And so if you would be the guy, Chainlink, earning $200 per hour, you would get, and then offering your consulting services to actually set up the node, help people set up their node and give them some introduction, and that's it, right? I mean, you could even write a couple of blog articles or so on the Finxter blog to position yourself as an expert in this micro niche. And earn income yourself through the validator, earn active income as a freelance coder offering your Chainlink services, and then also like earning say some additional active income and credibility as a writer or blogger about the Chainlink topic, right? I mean, this is just a huge opportunity, and it is not so complicated. If you would spend 1 month or 2 months full-time learning about Chainlink, you could become the master of this, right? You would get some gigs. You wouldn't need a lot of gigs to actually sustain yourself. I mean, if you have like a couple of hours every week, it would be enough for you to make a full-time living out of it from starting like relatively having a quick start. And it would be something that is very exciting, very new, and it's like a huge gap in the marketplace. You see no single freelancer on Upwork actually offers their Chainlink services in the headline, right? And of course, Elwin, this is just like this is just one type of case study, but you see how to think, like you see the right way to think as a freelance coder. So focus on one thing, double down on this thing, learn everything about this thing, and like be a practitioner in this thing, right? And then offer your services at the same time. And now by doing this, you actually have this effect that over time, as you focus only on Chainlink, you get more experience than everybody else on Chainlink, which means that clients will hire you again and again. You can delight clients more. You need less time per gig, right? Because you just offer a service, you offer a result, like setting up the Chainlink node to the outside world. So, and you can deliver this result quicker than everybody else in the marketplace. So you can have a higher hourly rate, but then needing fewer hours than everybody else, which means that your income explodes, right? I mean, you can reach this income of this guy with 1 million total earnings in say 2 to 3 years or so. So like focus is really like the key in business, and I think, I mean, this is just this is just one tiny opportunity that is currently popping up in the blockchain development space. There are many other type of gigs, and I also have a course on the Finxter Computer Science Academy provided by Yogesh, one of our expert writers and content Finxter creators. And this course is free for you, Elwin, as a new Freelancer student. So Freelancer students get access to all computer science content, all courses on the Finxter Computer Science Academy for free, for life, even the upcoming courses. And there's a new course on Solidity, and we will launch another course on Solidity, and we will actually, in Finxter, we focus more and more on this blockchain, on this new emerging trend of blockchain technology. But we also have the basics in Python, basics in programming. We give you like a well-rounded skill set, of course, everything you need to get started and to become successful. So the skill parts, like the technical skills, are more, you can find more technical skills on the Finxter Computer Science Academy for free. But you can also, like, we have a simple introduction to Python on the Freelancer course. But then, of course, on the Freelancer course, we focus on getting your first gig. Like, you can finish the first gig for Finxter, getting clients, and really getting results for you in your new freelancing endeavor that you chose to start. Yeah, anyways, I wish you much success, much fun, first and foremost. And if you have any questions, then don't hesitate to contact me personally, as I'm active in the Finxter Discord group, the mastermind group, where we, like the community, of Freelancer course students and freelancers, help each other out. We have like various degrees of experience, so the more experience help the less experienced freelancers to get started, and we share gigs and share stories and share stuff, and I'm actively involved as well. Okay, anyways, thanks for joining the course, and see you in the course. Bye.